Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to build an email list in Mailchimp. If you're using email marketing but don't have an email list, you're basically talking to nobody. Building a list is the foundation of everything because your emails are only as powerful as the people receiving them. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. From the left sidebar, click on Forms. You may not see the exact form you want immediately, so click on Other Forms. Why we did this? The default forms are limited, especially useful for embedding forms on websites. Now click Create Embedded Form. Why embedded forms matter? They can be added to your website, visitors can sign up directly, and this is how you collect emails automatically. Next, enter a name for your form. Click Continue to Builder. Now you'll be in the form builder. Click on Form Fields. Here, you can choose what information to collect. For example, add first name and phone number. Why this step is important? This determines what data you collect from your audience. Important note: don't ask for too much people, avoid long forms. After customizing your form, click Continue. Mailchimp will generate an embedded form code. Click Copy Code. This matters because this code is what actually puts your form on your website, and this is how people will sign up. How this builds your email list. Here's the full logic. 1. You create a form. 2. You place it on your site. 3. People fill it out, and 4. Their info goes into your Mailchimp audience. That's your email list growing automatically. To summarize, building an email list in Mailchimp involves going to Forms, selecting other forms, creating an embedded form, customizing the fields, and copying the generated code to place on your website. This allows you to collect contacts automatically and grow your audience. And that's how to build an email list in Mailchimp. This is one of the most important things you can do if you're serious about email marketing. But here's the truth. Just creating a form isn't enough. You need to give people a reason to sign up. Whether it's value, content, or an offer, make it worth their time. Start simple. Create one form, place it somewhere visible, and begin collecting emails. Then improve from there. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.